How was Life of Tom able to hit more than 600,000 views on a video that is almost 4 hours long? And that video is a 1 out of 10. It's the best performing video on his channel in the last 10 videos. And here's the thing, you can do the same thing for you and your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what type of niche you have. It doesn't matter what you are posting on YouTube. You can get that engagement. You can get that viewership. I know you are already typing in the comment section.
But Esbjorn, Life of Tom has 2.6 million subscribers. He also has another channel called Syndicate with almost 10 million subscribers.
Yes, I know. We are not talking about his previous success. That's good. I've been following Life of Tom and Syndicate for over 10 years. I'm a huge fan, by the way. The video I'm talking about is almost 4 hours long. Most of the viewers were watching the entire video, and that's the crazy part. And that's what I want to grasp onto and try to understand myself. And hopefully through this video you can learn something too. I personally believe the success for this video is in 3 parts. The simplicity of his vlog. He's only using his iPhone by just vlogging around every day and from start to finish, and he's just updating us. Oh, this happens next, and he goes ahead and he does the thing. Sometimes he just randomly spawns in a character, because here's the thing. Most of his family and friends are characters in his vlog, sort of. They are actually his family and his friends, but they have just accepted that Tom is gonna vlog no matter what, so we might as well just be in front of the camera, and they have become loved characters in his sitcom story, I guess. It's super funny and super wholesome to watch. If you are like me, you have been watching for a while, you get to know all of his friends, you know them by first name, and they have their unique story. Feels like you are part of his family, you are part of his friend group. Also, since the vlogs tend to be a bit longer, it feels like we are part of his full day. So when I'm done watching his vlog, I'm like, oh, I have to go to bed. No! I have a full day ahead of me, and that's super weird and super cool. The second thing about the simplicity of his vlog, the way the vlogs are edited. And no disrespect to Orion, but the vlogs are simply just put together from start to finish and removing all of the unnecessary parts, or maybe someone says something that we're not supposed to hear about yet because it's revealing something that is going to be happening in the future. And that simple editing style makes the vlog feel more genuine. So all applause to Orion. And this brings me to point number 3. He has been hyping up the secret project for so many months now. He's been talking about it for over 13 months. Oh yeah, I got a call about the secret project. Blah 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 secret project. So he's continuously talking about the secret project, and we don't know exactly what it is. Me personally, I was expecting it to be some sort of land. He was purchasing some place where he could take his motorbike and just drive around with this car and just have fun, maybe build a small house, whatever. We wasn't expecting the thing that happened in the video. Go ahead and watch the video if you are interested. But the point is, he has been teasing and hyping it up to the moment when the video was released. And this has definitely helped the video by remaining sure that people are watching the video from start to finish. And when the video finally released and he was able to show off the secret project, we feel like Tom is delivering on the expectation. We have been thinking in our mind, okay, this is going to be a land, it's going to be big, it's going to be awesome. But when it was so much bigger, 110 acres of land, and he kept on showing and showing and showing, and the next part was more impressive, and I sat there and I felt like, okay, is this for real? Has someone like scammed him? It feels unreal. And also, it helps that everyone involved in the video and Tom himself are so excited to show off what it is, and you have all of those moments. People are crying because they see the project for the first time. Tom is so excited, and it feels like an endless roller coaster. I was tired after watching that video. I was so excited for him to see him cross that finish line, all of the setbacks, all of the stuff that he's been dragging his hair out in the vlogs previously, and he wasn't able to talk about it. To finally see everything, and I didn't expect it to be as big as it was, made me want to watch it even longer. So here's the thing, if you apply some of the same techniques to your videos, make sure that you build up some hypes, and it doesn't have to be over 13 months. You can build up some hype in the start of your video, continue that hype into the middle, and make sure that by the end of the video, the viewer gets an ending that they are satisfied with. And when you finally combine everything together, you will have an excited person in front of the camera, all of his friends and his families, the story that he's been telling on his vlog for the last 13 months, combined with everything that we see in front of us when he finally reveals the secret project. That makes for a perfect video because we are so interested in this whole situation and everyone is excited and everything is exciting. So if you apply some of that stuff, make sure that you have a good story, make sure that you are presenting yourself well in front of the camera, you speak clearly, you make sure that you get your words across. If you're able to be a bit more energetic, put on a smile, it will look so much better. You don't need to be fake in order to be successful on YouTube. Just have fun and that will shine through your videos. If you are watching your own video and you are like, oh, it didn't really click, I didn't really like this video, then maybe post it, learn from it, and then make a new one. Because practice is king. You are almost there. You just have to figure out the packaging of the video, the presentation of the video, and that when people are clicking on your video, they will see something interesting, their expectations were met, you are genuine, and they will subscribe to your channel because they feel like, okay, I can relate to this person showed me something. So if you enjoyed my videos, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to know how you can be monetized on YouTube, watch this video right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, bye bye.